Peace, family. It's Kareem, aka K-Mac, back again with another video. And today we're filming the official unboxing of the ZBlackCard. I did a quick unboxing yesterday while watching the game, but let's just get into it. We'll call this one part 2. All right, so it does come in this lovely black box with the Z logo on it, beautifully presented. Other than that, a plain box, similar to how Apple would do, very simple. You know, nice design, simple and to the point. All right, again, as we saw yesterday, you know, we have the verbiage here: to maintain your car's beauty, please store it in this clear protective sleeve, similar to like receiving a plastic case with your brand new cell phone. And again, this is a prepaid card, ladies and gentlemen. So all of these here are the ways that you can load your card. Right, so you don't have to run all around town. You can use any one of these apps and load your card. This is the first time I've ever seen this. You can even use the Ingo app if you want to load a check or a money order. I don't know. You guys comment below. Let me know if you've ever known how to load money to a card or even pay a bill through an app with a check or a money order. All right. On the back, we have some additional instructions. You know, use your phone to download the Cash App, add your bank, debit card. So I'm sure most of us know how to do it. If not, that's what this is for, okay? You have that. This is some additional branding that the company provides to you. And, you know, to pass out invitation cards. You know, this is not something you leave anywhere. You would just pass these to those that you feel are really serious. And again, this is a prepaid card, so when it says up to $10,000 credit limit, that just means this is what you can load onto the card. All right, and also there's no credit checks with this card. Okay, so you are guaranteed this card as it is a prepaid card. All right, so that's some information there. Invited by, because these cards are by invite only. All right, so you see the message in there. So we got a few of these. What's that, guys? We got 5 of those. And then here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Excuse me, again, the card itself. Whew. Look at that beauty. You know, again, card owner. Each card that is printed will have the owner number, the number of the owner and when they applied, and the time. So member since 2018. All right, so this is it's an actual MasterCard, y'all. Reward, Ultra Elite Rewards card. This is a better quality than any other metal card on the market, guaranteed. All right, I'm not gonna. And you can see it's an actual debit card with there was the starter numbers and the expiration 11 of 22. I ordered mine's November, the end of November, right after Thanksgiving. So that's why it's November. So it's good for 3 years, as most cards are. All right. So boom. So let's go for this. This is what sets this card apart from a lot of other cards. Yeah. See this card? Pure metal. So again, this is the all-new ZBlackCard, the signature card. This is the second unboxing. Also, I'm going to bring out some other videos to show you how you can actually earn money from this card by not even recruiting anybody if you choose not to. The card itself is going to speak for itself. People are going to ask you, where did you get that card? But this card also includes a Forex, which is a foreign exchange savings account that you can deposit money into. And right now it's been bringing back anywhere between 10% has been the first 8 weeks. It was, the first 7 weeks. It was 3% week number 8, and then week number 9 it went back to 7%. This is per week, and this is just by leaving your money in there and letting it grow. All right, I'm going to show you my results on that as well. But again, this Kareem, aka K-Mac, signing off. Information will be down below if you choose to join. Peace. Look forward to speaking with you guys.